Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Betterment, an easy-to-use platform for automated investing. If you're looking to grow your wealth effortlessly, Betterment's automated strategies can help you reach your financial goals. Let's get started. Sign up and set your goals. Head to Betterment's website or app and create an account. During the setup process, you'll define your investment goals, such as retirement, saving for a house, or building wealth. Customize your investment plan. Betterment uses robo-advisors to design a personalized portfolio for you. You can adjust your risk level based on your financial preferences, ranging from conservative to aggressive. Enable automatic deposits. Set up recurring deposits to automate your investments. Choose the frequency, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and let Betterment handle the rest, ensuring consistent growth over time. Track and adjust your portfolio. Betterment offers tools to monitor your portfolio's performance and make adjustments if needed. Its tax loss harvesting feature can also help optimize your returns. Use smart features. Explore additional options like goal tracking, retirement planning, and financial advice to enhance your strategy. Betterment's intuitive interface makes managing your investments simple and efficient. With Betterment, investing doesn't have to be complicated. Automated deposits and smart tools make it easy to build your financial future. Are you ready to start automating your investments? Share your experiences or questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial tips. See you in the next one.